How to get Telegram Premium for free in 2026. If you want to get Telegram Premium for free, normally Telegram Premium has some exclusive features. If I open Telegram and then I go to settings, I scroll down to Telegram Premium, you can see all the different type of exclusive features, and a monthly subscription could be quite expensive as well as annual subscription as well, which is going to cost you quite a lot of amount of money, and not all people are able to afford that, but still want to be able to utilize. Now, there isn't any official method that you can get Telegram Premium for free, and I would also not recommend you use them because any modded APKs or account generators or scripting claims to unlock these features are scams designed to steal your account or compromise your data. Instead, if the features on the Telegram app is not enough, on the Google Play Store itself, we have so many other alternatives to Telegram. One is Necogram. So even though it is a different app, it utilizes the same API from Telegram, and it is a completely safe app. So you can use Necogram like this. It has many features than even the native Telegram app, but it's the same Telegram account you can use here. And you also have Nicegram, which also has other features as well. So these are some alternatives that I can suggest you, but there isn't a method to get Telegram Premium for completely free. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.